Hello friends, today I am going to make a Celsius to Fahrenheit converter using Python. First, open Python. The interactive mode will open in front of you. To switch to script mode, press Ctrl N. The symbol hashtag is used for comment in Python. You can write anything after it and it will not be executed by the program. Now I am writing a print statement. Whatever you write inside it will be displayed on the screen. It must be enclosed in inverted commas, otherwise Python will show an error. Next, I have created a variable and assigned it the variable taken from the input function. Since the input may include decimal values, I have used the float function. The input function is used to take data from the user. Make sure all symbols and syntax are used correctly. The Celsius variable stores the temperature provided by the user. I am again using the print statement to show the value entered by the user. Now I have created another variable named Fahrenheit and applied the Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion formula to it. Finally, I am using the print statement again to display the Fahrenheit value. The Fahrenheit variable is placed inside the print statement so that its value is shown on the screen.